guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kayla Lashae, for those of you guys that don't know. Hopefully you take a second to join the dog gang by clicking subscribe and the bell next to it so you guys never miss a post. Now today I have an apartment home decor haul for you, and I'm so excited to share all of the things that I am currently loving. I've been getting rid of a lot of stuff in my apartment because I've simply had it way too long. I want to be out with the old and with the new. I'm just tired of looking at the same things for all of these years. You know, I moved out on my own 6 years ago, bought everything at once, so I really didn't make the best decision on some of the things that I did purchase. So I'm slowly but surely replacing the things that I'm kind of sick of. I heard the Puffy mattress is the internet's most comfortable mattress, and thanks to my friends over at Puffy for collaborating with me on today's video. I'm so excited to tell you guys all about it. It basically shipped to my house within 2 to 5 business days in a box. A mattress in a box. It was delivered right outside my front door, so I didn't have to figure out how to lug it inside my house. It was literally there waiting for me when I arrived, and I liked it because it was very lightweight. It's pretty ideal for people like me that live on their own. They don't really have people to drive to a mattress store and then drive the mattress back home, unload it, set it up. No, none of that. Somehow this mattress fit in a box, and I'm gonna show you guys how to unbox it and what it looked like, the whole process of it kind of coming into its body, I guess you could say. So I do have a queen size bed, and I got a queen size Puffy mattress. They do have different variations of mattresses, so definitely check that out on the website if you guys are looking for a new one. So if you guys are like me and you're looking to replace your old mattress because you've simply slept on it way too long in the same spot, I had a dent in it. So I definitely needed to replace it because it was no longer serving its purpose for me. Definitely check out Puffy. You're getting your own place, you need a new mattress, definitely hit them up. You get it delivered straight to your door. So I was really excited to learn the features that the Puffy mattress has to offer. It does have a cooling effect, which is great because I cannot be hot and get a good night's sleep. I have to feel cold, so that's why I tend to blast my air conditioner so I can bundle up in other ways. But I do love the fact that it has a cooling effect. It also molds to your body. It has this body adapting cloud formula to it, so it molds to your body as you sleep. For me personally, that's important because I am a side sleeper, so okay, I feel like all sleeping positions are kind of awkward. I don't know where to put my hands most of the time, so I end up waking up with my arm falling asleep. So I do like the fact that this mattress molds to my body and the sleeping position that I am in. I kind of feel like I'm supported, okay? I don't need to wake up with a backache. I'm gonna insert some clips of me unboxing it for the first time and setting it up so you can kind of see what you're gonna get when you order this and how it rises, because I thought that was the coolest part. Like, how do you fit a huge mattress in such a small box? I don't know, but somehow they figured it out. This is how the mattress comes in the box, and I don't understand how it's gonna fluff up. Puffy, what's good? Okay, it looks very compressed, so I gotta cut this off. Stand by. Oh, this is yes! Do you like the Puffy mattress? I like it. Here for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave links and details to the mattress and puffy.com in the links down below. So definitely check out the description box before you guys leave this video. Let's move on to the stuff that I picked up from Target. Now they have the best scents for your home. Candles, cleaning product, soaps, and all that fun stuff. So I saw that they came out with the fall line over at the Mrs. Mayer's collection. So I got the Mum scent, and it just smells very fall, and let me give you an accurate scent of this. Oh, it's like a warm floral fragrance, and it makes my kitchen smell amazing. I also like to use this to clean my bathroom and any surface areas. Along with that, I decided to go ahead and pick up the matching hand soaps for my bathroom and of course my kitchen. So super affordable, and you can be in that fall spirit without having to break the bank. Look at that, your girl got another one of those. And because we're kind of close to Christmas, and Christmas is my favorite time of year, they also came out with the limited edition pine fragrance, which smells like a Christmas tree farm. So if you really want your home to be in that festive vibe energy, then definitely stock up on these really cool fragrances. Along with that, I also decided to pick up a couple of candles for my room. I really love the candles that Target sells because, one, they're pretty affordable, they have a great range, and it's not like they're really limited edition. They tend to always have them all year round. So this one is the Birchwood Brandy fragrance, and I can't remember if this is a soy-based candle, but I do know that it burns fairly slowly, so I can have this going multiple hours out of the day and it'll still last me a pretty long time, because your girl can go through candles very fast. But this one really is a true traditional fall fragrance. There's my puppy. I got him new toys today as well, so he's really enjoying himself. Oh my gosh, this one also gives me Christmas vibes. It's very warm and sensual. It has woody accents to it. Oh, I also picked this one up, which is the cranberry, I'm gonna butcher this, the cranberry patchouli? What is that? I don't even know, but it smells amazing. And this one is just very light, but it's warm and inviting and fresh. It's not overwhelming. Just give them a sniff, you guys will love them. I also did a little shopping over at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and I didn't get a lot of stuff, but because it is fall, you know, I wanted to go ahead and get some baking stuff. I plan on doing a lot of baking, and you can't bake without a pan, okay? So I got this to do brownies because that's really all I can bake from box. Maybe a cake if can you make a cake in this? I don't know, but it was only $6 and it's non-stick, so it's gonna be absolutely perfect. And you just need a baking pan if you want to be festive, because it's all about baking, okay? I also wanted to get an extra set of just crisp white towels. I feel like that is just my vibe. I already have the full white bedding, the white sheets, and I like to have white towels. This way I can go ahead and wash everything together and you can see if it's dirty or if it's clean, you feel me? So I got 2 of these big body towels just to keep them on rotation. They were $7.99, not too bad at all, and they're pretty large in size, which is what I always look for, because you know you want to have enough towel to cover yourself after the showers. So I love white linens. It gives me that hotel vibe, which is what I'm going for. I've been trying to declutter my space and kind of give it a new look, and I feel like white is just very fresh, airy, and inviting, so it definitely worked with my home decor. And I also just got the second towel in this bag. The next thing that I got was from Target. It's not in my room, it's actually set up out in the living room, and I got a clothing rack because I really wanted to have a space where I could have, you know, inspiration to get dressed and actually wear things that aren't just sweatpants and leggings. So I put it together myself. It was not hard at all, and it was pretty affordable as well, and it matches everything else that I have going on furniture-wise out in my living space. I also have felt hangers as well, just so it gives it more of like a sleek look, and it just looks better than those white plastic hangers. You can put stuff on top of the shelf as well as on the floor underneath it. So it's super versatile. Definitely stores a lot if you guys live in a small space and you're looking to expand your wardrobe. It's definitely a great item to pick up. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell next to it so you guys never miss a post. You can also let me know in the comments if you guys like apartment themed videos. I am getting ready to move, so I'm sort of prepping for that, you know, out with the old, in with the new, but I want to welcome in quality stuff that I want to take with me. I've had things in my apartment for so long that I'm kind of sick of looking at them, so I want to replace them with better things, like getting rid of my old mattress and replacing it with my new Puffy mattress, which I love. I cannot wait to go to sleep tonight. Bye!